one at a time because you can't plug two. Show the auto drive and feedback motor. It works. I'll show you how to disassemble the machine. Follow me. Okay, plug from power.
Oh, gee.
The power cable, which should be located in the cash box. Now, this is important. There's a red and a black cable. This is the linking cable. So black the bottom, red on top, and back to front on the other side. So black on top and red at the bottom. So we disconnect these two. They'll be together with this unit here. Now to remove this cable here, you have to press where the clip is at the top and just pull. Don't pull by the cable, just press that clip and pull. Same thing here. Push down and pull from the body, not from the cables, otherwise you might risk of ripping the cables off. And do the middle section. There you go, that's the middle disconnected. Same thing here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. That unit is separate and it will be put in the seat. Now, to disconnect the 2 units apart, there will be an H piece which holds these 2 body together, and we'll include that. These are the bolts for it, so they're already in it, and that's about it. There are a couple of bolts to screw from those holes to there, and those 2 holes to here. So that will have to sit this way. Okay, now the header has some major bolts here. You have to disconnect the bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that you'll be able to release the header. The actual wiring is inside this box here. It's very simple. Just one wire that plugs into another, similar to the bottom connectors. And the same thing here, just undo 1 and 2, and the 2 cups will come off. There's only two connections on either side, and that's about it. Just be mindful this weighs about 30 kilo, so you need 2 people to do the assembly. If you've got any questions, you can always contact me. Thank you.